Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get bone blossom. This rare and valuable crop is highly sought after in Grow a Garden. While it was initially a reward from a special event, there are still ways to acquire it. We will cover how to obtain the seeds, effectively grow them, and maximize your harvest for the best results. Get ready to add this exceptional plant to your collection and boost your garden's value. Since the prehistoric event has concluded, obtaining bone blossom seeds requires alternative strategies. Your primary option is to trade with other players. You will need trading tickets, which are available in the gear shop. Another method involves using a red fox pet, which has a chance to steal seeds from other players' gardens. If you or a friend participated in the original event, any saved seeds can still be planted. Once you have acquired bone blossom seeds, planting them is the next step. For rapid growth, position Triceratops pets strategically around your plants. Their passive ability will cause the blossoms to grow instantly every few minutes. Additionally, using a combination of sprinklers, including basic, advanced, and godly types, will ensure consistent watering and further accelerate the growth process, leading to a bountiful harvest. To achieve the largest and most valuable bone blossoms, focus on maximizing their growth. Regularly remove any smaller blossoms to allow the remaining ones to grow significantly bigger. While moon cats were once popular for increasing fruit size, Triceratops pets are now the preferred method for instant growth. Remember, consistent watering every 2 hours and a bit of patience are key to cultivating impressive bone blossoms in your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.